Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and in an interesting turn of events about Microsoft and its minimum requirements for Windows 11. We talked about a few weeks ago that Microsoft said that 8 gigabytes was enough, and that most people would be okay with that. And of course, they have a Surface laptop that they released with 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it's basically the same laptop that they already had at 16 gigabytes, but had a version with 8 gigabytes to a lower price. And I understand Microsoft wanted to try to talk about RAM memory and the lowest amount you can get in Windows 11 for performance because of the huge price of RAM right now. But it kind of doesn't hold because many tech sites have tested the laptop, the Surface laptop, with 8 gigabytes. All of them give it a poor note on performance. And the reason is simply because it has 8 gigabytes. They actually changed it to 16, and suddenly it was way faster. So there's the little problem of what Microsoft's trying to say here. The other thing that I was wanted to talk about RAM memory on this video is that it is kind of a nonsense that Microsoft says Windows 11 works fine on 4 gigabytes. Minimum requirements is 4 gigabytes. I wouldn't see a PC with 4 gigabytes running Windows 11, honestly. And this is where I think that, Microsoft should be kind of a little more, that minimum requirements should be at least 8 gigabytes. That's for sure. We look at their AI PCs. All PCs with AI, they require 16 gigabytes as a minimum requirements. I mean, in this day and age, when we look at the price of RAM, it's super expensive to have any PCs running with a lot of RAM. It's like the PC prices are going up crazy because of the prices of RAM. So that's the funny part. When I buy a PC, if I buy something, I will of course take a PC with minimum 16 gigabytes. I think all of the ones I have here have 16 gigabytes at least. And that for me was always a minimum requirement for Windows, even Windows 10. And this one has 32 gigabytes, so it's ample enough, works great. But I mean, with today's prices, I can't imagine now, trying to buy a PC at a reasonable price, and things are going to get worse before they get better. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.